Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna be consider about that what is Python virtual environment activation, how to use Python package installer and speak about some shell environment variables. Before we proceed to the venv project activation, I want to speak a little about that what it does. Regardless of that, what a command shell you use, it always has such a thing as environment variables. Let's just look at that. Okay, we've got it. There are many variables, each is used for specific needs. Here we are interested in a very important variable, and that path. When you issue a command, shell will check is it an internal shell command. If so, shell just will run it. Another way, shell will go and check the path variable one by one and will try to find it there. If not, it will give you an error. We can check where is some command we want to run by special where is tool. For example, we want to find echo command, so we're typing where is echo. And it will showing us echo command is in user bin echo path. Okay, another case. I'm going to make my own command here. I'm going to create an empty file, my cmd shell. Open it to edit. And say something. Hello. Save it. I have to change my file permission to make it executable. So, I will check current dir I'm standing in. Now, if I run this command from full path, like home edu my cmd shell, it worked perfectly. But if I try to run this command without pointing to path where it is and say just hey, I've got an error that say me that my command not found. This happened because shell does not know anything about directory path when my script is. Similarly, if we ask where is command for my script, it also will not give any result. Okay, now I would like to specify this path to path variable, so I say my home directory where my script is and path, current path. And let's check it out. Alright, now path variable contains directory with my scripts. Then I can say and this works now. Alright, now I'm going to my Python virtual environment project installed. And so let's to activate virtual environment. We're typing source bin activate. Great! With this step we can tell that environment activated because you likely see the environment name in your command prompt line. And now, if we look at path variable here, As expected, is prepared our venv project path to shell path variable so that running Python will invoke the environment's Python interpreter and you can run install scripts without having to use their full path. Let's check it out. Okay, now it links to venv installed path. Let's start Python. And next, I'm going to import sys module to show you some things with happening when a Python interpreter is running from a virtual environment. Now, I'm going to print some variables, and first is sys prefix variable and second one is sys exec prefix variable. For now, both of these ones are pointing to the venv path and here Python will find libraries and dependencies for your project. Whereas such a variable as sys base prefix and sys base exec prefix are pointing to those of the base Python used to create the environment. And that's right, such behavior determines that current interpreter is running with venv. Take a look that activating the venv gives you convenience, but it is never required. You can use it if you are working with many venvs at the same time or packages installation, but you don't specifically need to activate a virtual environment as you can just specify the full path to that environment's Python interpreter when invoking Python. Furthermore, all scripts installed in the environment shall be runnable without activating it. Libraries and dependencies isolation is one of the main benefits of venv using, so I would like to show you one more thing. This is how you can use it to make modulus installation in your project much easier. Now, I want to install some libraries to my project, but also I would like to automate this task somewhat when deploying a project in the future. For that, I'm going to create a file called requirements.txt. Then, I'm going to add to it some libraries. Now I want to try PyMongo and PyMemcache from new line each other and save it. Next I say pip install -r and point to my requirements file. Okay, then let's look at package list now. And here you can see PyMongo and PyMemcache packages installed. And one more useful command is pip freeze. You can use the output of this one in your requirements files to be ensured that its always fixed version will be installed when deploying your project in the future. And just I show you that if I do a deactivate, in old venv version you have to use source bin deactivate script. And then do a pip list. Then we can see that PyMongo and PyMemcache did not get installed and there are only system packages for our global version of Python. And that's good, that's exactly what we wanted. So that is all in this video, I hope you enjoyed this, let me know in comments if it was helpful for you, If you have any questions, feel free to ask in section below. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.